Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to secure your Kukai Wallet account. Kukai Wallet is a secure and easy to use wallet for managing Tezos XTZ and Tezos based token. However, your wallet security depends greatly on how well you protect your login method, recovery phrase and devices access, and by following a few important safety steps you can keep your funds safe from the hackers and unauthorized access. And in this guide you'll learn how to secure your Kukai Wallet account step by step. So first, you need to safely store your recovery phrase. When creating a Kukai Wallet using a seed phrase, you can receive your 12 to 24 word recovery phrase and write the phrase on paper, not in screenshots or note app, and store it in a safe and private place. And even with this phrase, you can fully control your wallet and use your secure login methods. For once you open to your Kukai Wallet or you log in, make sure you log in using your Google, Twitter, X, Reddit or the email. Make sure your social account has a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication on the social account and do not log in on public or shared computers. And make sure to always check the official Kukai website or the official app as well. And also log out after using public devices each time. And securing Kukai Wallet is simple but very important. By protecting your recovery phrase, enabling and using official websites and keeping your device secure, you can safely manage your Tezos assets without risk. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.